Close your eyes for a moment and imagine this. You're waking up to a new, breathtaking view every single day. It's the white sandy beaches of the Caribbean, and the next, it's the towering fjords of Norway.
Sounds like a dream, right? Well, what if I told you that you could get paid to make this dream a reality? Welcome to Cruise Ship Jobs 101, where I'm about to show you how you can work on a cruise ship, travel the world, and create memories that last a lifetime, all while getting a paycheck. Let's dive in. Working on a cruise ship is not just a job, it's a lifestyle. It's about adventure, personal growth, and stepping outside your comfort zone. But let's be real, it's also about incredible perks. Free accommodations? Check. Free meals? Check. Traveling to places most people only dream about? Double check. So what kind of jobs can you find on board? Let me paint a picture for you. Cruise ships are like floating cities, which means there's something for everyone. Love working with people? Consider a role in guest services or as a bartender. Got technical skills? Think engineering, IT, or sound and lighting technician roles. Passionate about performing? Cruise lines hire singers, dancers, musicians, and even magicians. The list goes on. Childcare, photography, medical staff, fitness trainers. If you've got a skill, there's probably a role for you. All right, so what does it take to get hired? First, the good news. You don't always need a fancy degree. Cruise lines value skills and experience above all else. For example, if you've worked in customer service or hospitality, you're already ahead of the game. But there are a few things you absolutely need. One of the big ones is the STCW certification. This is a globally recognized safety training course that's mandatory for most cruise ship jobs. It teaches you things like how to handle emergencies, basic first aid, and survival skills at sea. Think of it as your ticket to board. You'll also need a valid passport. Obviously, you're traveling the world. And in many cases, a medical certificate. Cruise lines want to make sure you're physically fit for the job. And if you're applying for specific roles, like childcare or medical staff, you might need additional licenses or clearances. Now let's tackle the part that intimidates most people, the application process. But don't worry, it's not as complicated as you might think. Let me walk you through it step by step. Step 1. Research, research, research. You'll want to start by figuring out which cruise lines are the best fit for you. Are you looking for a luxury experience like Viking Cruises or Crystal Cruises? Or maybe you prefer a fun, high-energy vibe like Carnival or Royal Caribbean? Step 2. Tailor your resume. Highlight the skills that make you stand out. Cruise lines love people who are adaptable, great at customer service, and thrive in team environments. Got experience working in fast-paced settings? Put that front and center. Step 3. Apply online. Most cruise lines have dedicated career pages. Submit your application, but don't stop there, follow up. Show them you're serious. Step 4. Ace the interview. Interviews are usually online or at recruitment events. Be prepared to share examples of how you've handled challenges in the past. And remember, they're not just hiring you for your skills. They're hiring you to be part of the team at sea. Personality counts. Okay, you got the job, yay! But what's life on a cruise ship really like? Let's break it down. First, the good stuff. You're going to meet people from all over the world. Crew members come from dozens of different countries, and the friendships you build are incredible. You'll also get access to crew-only perks, like special lounges, parties, and events. And let's not forget the destinations. 1 week you're in Alaska, the next you're exploring the Mediterranean. It's an adventure lover's dream. But here's the reality, it's not a vacation. The hours are long and you'll be working 6 to 7 days a week. You'll need to be prepared for a fast-paced, high-energy environment. That said, most people say the experience is 100% worth it. You'll learn so much about yourself, develop new skills, and create memories that will stay with you forever. Before we wrap up, here are my top pro tips for making your cruise ship job dream a reality. Network. Join Facebook groups, LinkedIn communities, or forums for cruise ship job seekers. Sometimes it's about who you know. Be persistent. Don't get discouraged if you don't hear back right away. Keep applying, refining your resume, and improving your skills. Stay flexible. Being open to different roles can help you get your foot in the door. Once you're on board, there's plenty of room to grow. So what are you waiting for? The world is calling, and adventure is just one application away. Take the leap and who knows? The next time you watch a cruise ship sailing by, you might be on it, living your best life. Thank you for watching Cruise Ship Jobs 101. If you're as excited as I am about this incredible opportunity, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hey, if you've got any questions or need more tips, drop them in the comments below. I'll see you out there on the open seas.